You know what? I'm going to start this. I have two songs for you. And I had the distinct pleasure of writing one afternoon with Jessie Coulter, who was the widow of Waylon Jennings, and she and Waylon were married for, 35 years or so. And I was looking forward to this writing session, and I had it with Sonny Lemire, another great writer in Nashville. And we were sitting down in my office, and Jess, she's about this tall, she's not even bigger than a minute. She says, I'm kind of nervous to write with you guys, professional songwriters. And I looked at Sonny, and he looked at me, and I thought, she's Jessie Coulter, for crying out loud. And then she goes, well, you know, I did write with Johnny, and, well, of course, Waylon all the time, you know, just at the breakfast table, and Willie, and, you know, she starts naming off all these. And we looked at each other, and we thought, and you're nervous? So, but what was fun about that afternoon is we spent a couple hours really just talking about her time as the only female outlaw with Waylon and Christopherson and Cash. And yeah, it was a fun afternoon. So after a while, we came up with this hook, and it's called Sounds Like Life to Me. Looking back on the times we had, ain't it amazing we lived through all of that? But we had it all, though we had it made. Somehow we got lost along the way. If I knew then what I know now, I'd have had it all figured out. You try things on, you live and learn. Some bridges you cross and some you burn. You pick me up, you roll me down, even dance me around and around in the rain. And like a song that plays on and on and on. Sometimes a little off key, it sounds like life to me. It'd be so easy if it was all in black and white. You could draw a line between what's wrong and right. It's all that gray gets in the way. Gotta learn to take it all in your stride. You pick me up, you roll me down, even dance me around and around in the rain. And like a song that plays on and on and on. Sometimes a little off key, it sounds like life to me. You pick me up, you roll me down, even dance me around and around in the rain. Like a song that plays on and on and on. Sometimes a little off key, it sounds like life to me. It sounds like life to me. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.